Hello, my name is Cryptic and today we're doing another unboxing / review video. The folks at FiFine or FiFine, they sent me over the M9, which is a wireless lavalier mic system for video recording and streaming. So let's have a look what's in the box and then we'll get to testing. Okay, my OBS broke, so inside the box you got a quick start user and this. This is the main thing that we want to see. A nice little case, and then inside the case we have this is the little charging station, USB-C powered. It's got a nice, like, textured pattern. A little bit of branding on top. This is nice and cute. And then we've got your microphones. Oh, look at that little guy. He's a happy guy. Again, got this nice textured packet. Yeah. Textured finish. We got maybe a link button and another button. I should read the instructions. Nice little clip. And we have the flashing because I just had them out a second ago. But OBS being OBS. MS, that looks like another link. Out, that'll be your cables. Got a nice little LED display. I don't know if it's LED, just a little light display. A and B, that'll be for both of them, I'm guessing. Power button, again. Nice finish. Little clip. Oop. USB-C, so I assume you can charge it not in here as well, if you wanted to. What do these have? Yeah, same here. Peel! Yeah, they've got USB-C as well. They're so happy though, I love them. So cute. And it's so satisfying, that clip. Click. And then we also have some, what are these called? Like wind protector things. We'll try it out in a second. We have got USB A to C. That'll probably be the charging cable for that. And then in our last bag we have these will be to connect to various items. So I'm guessing this one will connect if you're using like your phone. Plug that in, connect that to your receiver. I think you can connect it to like a DSL camera. Oh, it says on here, phone, camera. Ah, not a lot of phones have headphone jacks anymore. But that's good to see. Scoot them there, scoot them there. Let's try on one of these little wig pieces. I like this case though. Feels like it'll protect it quite a bit. Right, let's see if we can do this. Okay, there's like a little plastic hat circle, and I'm guessing we just kind of, oh, I'm not good at lining things on. Yeah. Nope. Come on, I can do this. I'm a big boy. Nope, I can't do this. It'd help if I didn't have shaky hands. I'm doing it right. I think I'm doing it right. Ah, there we go. There we go. Oh, it's so soft. I like that. Look how happy he is. He's got a hair transplant. That's what I need. That's... I protect from that. Oh, yeah. Does it fit in here and close? No. So I'm going to have to struggle with that. Oh, I'll get my wife to do it. yeah, just pops back off. Stick that in there. Back to charging. And that, you'll probably fit that in your pocket. Easy enough to carry around, and then you've got 2 microphones, but if you just have a bag, might as well just stick it in there. Boom. Shall we give it a test? I think we should give it a test. Okay, so this should be recording through here. I didn't need to press the pairing button, I just kind of plugged it in. Turn this. Did I turn it on? I assume I turned it on. Let me check. It's got a light on. I assume that means it is on. I mean, we'll find out at the end. I don't know where to clip it. I've never used one of these before. So yeah, that should work. We'll find out what it sounds like, obviously, after this. I wonder if it's picking up any noise from outside, because outside here is very noisy. I'm just going to move away, see if I can do one of these. Say, oh, you can't even see me, it's gone too dark. Let me stand in front of the window. Hello, I'm over here. I'm in my pajamas. It's still morning. Is this working? What about if I just go for a walk? I've got quite a long hallway. Look, I'm just going right down here. I need to make a coffee. That's what I need to do. Look, I'm at my bedroom. And now I'm going to come back, and hopefully the audio would have still been working. I think it's got a 50 meters, 50 feet. I should really read up about this stuff. But anyway, here I am, look, I'm back. Did it sound any different? We'll find out. Hey, I'm here, yeah, focus on me. So here it is, it's quite cute, isn't it? And I got the little wind thing on it. I can be a TikToker. Hello. What do TikTokers do? I used to make TikToks about being a bus driver, and then my company said, excuse me, stop making videos in your uniform. And I was like, and I had to delete them, and they had like 20,000 views. For some reason, they're like my most popular ones. Anyway, this is this. How does it work against wind? God, I wish I had hair like that. I need a haircut, actually. Yeah, this is fun. I'm not at work today, so I want to go around York, because I live in York. York's beautiful. I'm going to go around there and take it for a test drive. Maybe do some street recording, and maybe go somewhere a bit more quiet, like the York Minster, because I really want to go to the York Minster. So that's a good excuse to go to the York Minster. Okay, I'll see you outside. I'll get dressed. I'll have a coffee, get dressed, and then we'll be there. And I'll take the cool little case. Yes, goodbye for now. Okay, here we are. Wow. Wait. So we're outside the York Minster, as you can see, and outside I'm wearing it. And it's a bit breezy, so we'll see how that picks it up. Oh, look at my nose. Psoriasis. That's not that pretty that way. But the sun's behind me. So I think it sounds alright. I mean, I tested it earlier and it seemed fine when I was recording it at home, but we'll see if it picks up any of this like outside noise. Oh, that's not very pretty over there, is it? There we go, look at that. Beautiful. So we should probably go inside and see what it's like inside. Okay, I felt a bit awkward, like getting out all my camera stuff in there, so I didn't record anything in there, but we're back outside and we're just giving it another test. I'm gonna flip the camera around and we're gonna go for a little walk and see how it sounds there. It was cool in there though. Okay, so here we are walking down one of York's many little alleyways, or snickets, ginnels, depends where you come from really. There's a lot of noise around here. Air conditioning units, that kind of thing. I like these lights though, they're pretty cool. So just testing to see how it sounds. Just while we're having a little walk around. Oh, I think this is Mad Alice Lane. Gonna have to duck. Ooh, this is a bit spooky. Where do we come out? At a coffee shop, that's a good idea. Hello again, it's me. I got a coffee. It was nice. Thanks for asking. So what do I think of these cute little microphones? I really like them. They're good. I'm gonna see how they are. Just for like recording, maybe like a gameplay video, just so I don't have to have my microphone like so close to me. Just like attach this somewhere. See how that goes. So look for that in my next gaming video, of course. I do make them quite a lot. I am also trying to do more review videos, and travel videos. Vlogs, I think they're called. Yeah, I'm down with the youth. You're shiny my head is, I'm so bald. Anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna score these a solid 8 out of 10. I don't know why I'm looking that way. It's because I can see myself, so I'm just looking at myself, and really, I should be looking at the camera there. So yeah, 8 out of 10. Solid investment. Need to maybe get my wife to try on the other one and see how it does. 2 conversations. That'd be interesting, won't it? Yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching. I've been Cryptic. If you like it, please leave a like and subscribe, because it's free and it helps me out. I think it helps me out. I don't know. That's what everyone always says, don't they? It really helps me out, but I don't know if it does or not. Yeah, I'm just waffling on now. Shall we end on a mic drop? Mic drop.